Is your PC running out of space? Getting those annoying low disk space warnings? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech with Benno, and today I'll be showing you how to free up space on Windows quickly and easily so your PC stays fast and cluster free. Let's dive right in. First up, let's clear up those pesky temporary files. Windows has a built-in feature called the storage sense. This automatically cleans up the junk in your computer. Let's check it out. Got apps that you haven't used in ages? Let's get rid of them. Time to tackle those giant space hogging files. Windows has a classic disk cleanup tool. Running low on space but don't want to delete files? Simply upload them on OneDrive, Google Drive, or an external hard drive. This keeps your files safe and frees up local storage. That's it. Your PC should now have plenty of free space and should run smoother. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments which trick helped you most. See you in the next one. Goodbye.